Press the power button to turn the appliance on. Press the timer button to set your desired timer. And the setting range is from 1 hour to 8 hours. Press the flame color button to set the color of flame. There are 12 settings in total. Press the flame bed color button to set the color of flame bed. There are 12 settings in total too. Press the light brightness button to set your desired light brightness. There are 6 settings in total. L5 is the brightest setting, and L0 is the dimmest setting. Press the flame speed button to set the flame speed. There are 5 settings in total and U5 is the fastest setting. Press the heating gear button to select between warm air and hot air. Press the sound button to select the sound mode among F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, and mute. Note the 6 modes could only be adjusted on the control panel and in the app, while the 3 volume levels could only be adjusted on the remote control and in the app. Apart from the sound, the timer settings on the remote control are slightly different from those on the touch panel too. Press the timer button on the remote control, then press the plus or the minus button to set your desired timer. The touch panel allows only our base timing, while the remote control allows both our and minute base timing. The remote control also allows temperature adjustment. Press the temperature button to enter temperature setting mode. Set the target temperature within the range of 59 to 95 Fahrenheit using plus and minus button. Other functions on the remote control are mostly the same as on the touch panel. Press the power button to turn the appliance off.